Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a voice chat from a message group on your PlayStation 5. And this kind of makes it like a Discord channel where you can just join and leave and the party will stay active. So we want to go to Game Base and then go on down to Messages and then go to a new message. And you can see I have some message groups in here already. So I can just go to a message group now and then go to the party chat option right here and start up a party. And it's going to send everyone an invite automatically, and I don't have to invite them manually by going to here and selecting it. Everyone in this current voice chat will be sent a invite already to the game and to this voice chat. So it makes it very convenient. So if anyone's in this, they're going to receive one instantly. So what you want to do is go up to new message right here. And then you can go to play together, your friends, etc., and just check mark them. And they'll be added to this one message group. And then you can go to it at any point in time. And then we can go to view party. We can invite to game. We can go to view members. And this will allow us to add more people. We can go to more. And this will allow us to go to group settings. We can change the name, the picture, etc. That's what I did. I just put the A team on here. And then we can go back here and we can send video clips back and forth with everyone in that message group as well. So very convenient. I like doing this more than just starting up a party and going to close party. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.